Welcome back to JENNY&G.
Hello guys. So, as we said in the other episode, now we're gonna do this Parmigiana di Melanazane. Parmigiana di Melanazane, guys, is something come from just all our Italian product. Jenny never tried. I think you will love that.
I think so.
Okay, so it's similar to make a lasagna. Okay, so we will just fry the eggplant first. Then we're gonna make everything like lasagna. So let's go to cut the eggplant and fry it. Okay? Okay, Jenny, so we need to cut this sides. How much time you dedicate to yourself? I don't know, to train or to go to some hair salon or to just train?
Almost 80% of my time.
80% of your time?
I think 80% of my time, but including working.
Ah, okay.
20% was you.
Okay.
I don't have a life.
So the 20% is with me and the 80% is for
Myself, yeah.
you. Okay, and
I don't have that much friend, you know that? It's not important. Important is who I am. Important is if I'm happy or not.
okay, so you're happy.
Yeah, of course. So that's why I always spend time by myself. I think
Okay.
I'm happy with myself.
And you're gonna fry all of this.
Okay.
And it is gonna be really, really difficult, okay?
For me, nothing is difficult.
Okay, so take care, don't burn yourself.
I
Because
won't.
you're gonna burn yourself.
No way. Okay, right?
Yes, bravissima. Put more as you can, okay?
So the first step, I'm going to put the tomato sauce in the first layer. Okay, in the meanwhile, he's going to cut the
Mozzarella cheese.
cheese.
All right.
And then we put the
Yes, bravissimissima. Okay.
and then put the cheese.
Yes. Another layer, boss. So Jenny, our
Parmigiana di Melanazane.
no, Parmigiana di Melanazane is ready.
It's ready. Now we're going to put this in the oven. So for 25 minutes and 230 degrees. I want to ask you something. Why is now 235 degrees? Why is 230?
Because 230 is the perfect temperature for 25 minutes.
All right.
Okay,
So
let's go.
now we put it out of the oven. I mean, what the hell is going on here? Like, why we put in all red and then come out with the cheese on the top?
Because
What did you do, Sneaky?
I forgot to say to everybody that we need to put some cheese in the oven.
Before you put in the oven.
Yes.
So before you put in the oven, you have to put some Parmesan cheese on the top and
To make the
go in
crust.
To make a crust. Now, should we add more?
Yes.
Next time, please follow the steps.
Okay. You want to add more?
Mm-hmm.
Really nice and
when I say
gentle.
mm-hmm, I'm like,
What do you mean?
I'm so cool. Enough.
Then we put some basil leaves. Okay. So, our
You sure it looks like this?
Parmigiana, yes, the melanzane is ready. This is our, because you're afraid that someone then...
Also, I feel like something missing, no?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Are you afraid someone come to you, you should change your business partner because I'm better than him, right? You're talking about that, right? We don't say the name.
I know.
Shut up. Okay?
Okay.
I got you. Hey, take care next time with my business partner. Huh? Okay, she's only mine. Okay, guys, this is done. Then we're gonna show them when we eat. We will cut.
Okay.
And see you next time.
We don't going to show them when we cut.
And not because we need to eat with our friend.
Okay.
Tonight we have a Cuban dinner, Cuban food with our friend video makers, and we're gonna bring this for them.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is a gift.
Okay. So see you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.